Our team of skilled and responsive technicians are available at all times to keep your home in perfect condition.
We just had a problem yesterday with the septic, and it was on schedule to be taken care of, but by the time Luella called, who's the head of maintenance, it was all taken care of. All she did is tell me that here's what we did, we had talked about it, and it's done. So we're just thrilled again with both the quality of the housekeeping, and also if there's anything that goes wrong with the maintenance, because the response time is just there, and they do quality work.
They'll come at any hour of the day, whether it be a light bulb that suddenly went out that's critical, a sink's not working right, or bathtub, whatever happens, they will come. And again, we could not do this, so we depend on those services to be able to rent the house.